Electric vehicles, EVs, eliminate many traditional maintenance issues like oil changes. However, the complexity of their systems can introduce unexpected, high costs, leaving new owners astonished. The advanced technology in EVs, particularly in their batteries and electric motors, can incur expensive repairs that overshadow any initial savings. Often, these costs are overlooked by manufacturers. Examples of exorbitant repair bills, such as Scott McFig's $22,000 expense for a minor dent and a Tesla Model S owner's staggering $117,000 for a fender bender, underscore the financial risks associated with EV ownership. Moreover, costs linked to basic EV components, including charging stations, can be significant, typically ranging from $500 to $2,000 depending on installation specifics. Ongoing electricity expenses are frequently neglected as well. EV batteries are complex systems made up of numerous delicate cells. The malfunction of just one cell can lead to serious performance issues or complete failure. This complexity often results in substantial repair costs. Additionally, the limited repairability of EV batteries, which are typically glued or welded together, means that minor issues could necessitate total battery replacements, imposing significant financial burdens on owners and impacting the perceived value of EVs. While repairing battery cells might appear cost-effective, it demands specialized knowledge and advanced equipment, often leading to complications and high labor costs. The cost of replacing a battery can exceed $20,000, making it unaffordable for many EV owners who anticipated lower maintenance costs. The scarcity of accessible and affordable repair options is taking an emotional toll on EV owners, leaving them feeling isolated and overwhelmed in their pursuit of solutions. Real-life accounts, such as Christopher Bernier's experience with his Chevy Equinox EV, highlight the emotional burden of extended repairs and service delays. Such narratives resonate with a wide array of EV owners. Navigating insurance coverage for EV repairs introduces another layer of complexity, as inconsistent policies often lead to unexpected costs and financial losses, exacerbating the challenges these owners face. The rapid depreciation of electric vehicles, known as the Great EV Value Plunge, raises significant financial concerns for owners, affecting their investment and overall ownership experience. Reports indicate that some electric vehicle models have depreciated by more than 30% within just 1 year, starkly contrasting with traditional vehicles. Concerns regarding battery degradation and the rapid evolution of technology in electric vehicles are causing potential buyers to hesitate, with many fearing that costly battery replacements may soon be necessary. The market for used electric vehicles is undergoing challenges due to swift depreciation rates and buyer anxiety, complicating the landscape for both sellers and potential buyers. The resource-intensive process of manufacturing lithium-ion batteries considerably contributes to carbon emissions, contradicting the environmental aspirations of electric vehicles and emphasizing the complexities in achieving genuine sustainability. Furthermore, the extraction of critical materials like lithium and cobalt raises ethical concerns, particularly in developing countries where mining practices may result in environmental degradation and social issues. Finally, current recycling technologies for electric vehicle batteries are often inefficient and can even pose additional environmental risks, challenging the perception of electric vehicles as a wholly clean alternative.